So in this video, I will be performing the proper body mechanics and safe lifting. So without further ado, let's get started. Body mechanic is efficient, coordinated, and safe use of the body to move objects and carry out activities for daily living. Its primary purpose is to facilitate the safe and efficient use of appropriate muscle groups to maintain balance, reduce the energy required, minimize fatigue, and decrease the risk of injury. Hi ma'am, good evening. I am Jessica Cabasag. I am a student nurse that assigned to do the body mechanic assessment. May I know your name? Okay, nice to meet you, ma'am. So the first step for the body mechanics is free the surrounding area or obstacles and move in order to prevent injury. Next is obtain assistance if it is necessary, especially if there's an object that is too heavy. Also, encourage your clients to assess as much as possible by pushing or pulling themselves to reduce muscular effort. Next, let's assume that we must adjust the working area to our waist level in order to keep the body close to the area. Next, provide a firm, smooth, and dry bed foundation before moving the client. Next, we should always remember that we must face on the direction where our client at. After that, start any body movement with proper alignment, then stand as close as possible to your client in order to move. And after that, avoid stretching, reaching, and twisting, which may place the line of gravity outside the base of support. Next, before moving an object, increase your stability by widening your stance and flexing your knees and hips and ankles. After that, avoid working against the gravity and then pull or push or turn object instead of lifting them. After doing that, use your gluteal and leg muscles rather than the sacrospinal muscles of your back to exert an upward thrust when lifting. Then distribute the workload between the both arms and the legs to prevent back strain. Next is when pushing an object, enlarge the base of support by moving the front of the foot forward. When pulling an object, enlarge the base of support by either moving the rear leg back, and then if you are facing on your client or any object, move front foot forward. And after that, when you are moving your clients or carrying some object, hold them as close as possible into your center of gravity. Next, you should always remember that you must use the weight of the body as a force, especially for pulling or pushing. And then for the last step for the body mechanics, alternate the rest periods with periods of muscles in order to use to help prevent fatigue.